Hey everybody, and welcome back to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. Today I have another riff on a classic for you. This is called the Jasmine. This is a riff on the classic Pegu Club that dates back to pre-Prohibition. Now, I'm not much of a gin cocktail man normally, but this sounded really good, so I'm excited to give it a try. We're going to start with our shaker here, and we're going to add 1.5 ounces of gin. We're going to use Water Pocket's Temple of the Moon gin. Move this over here. We're going to go 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then we're going to do 1/4 ounce of each of Cappelletti, or you can use Campari. We recently got Cappelletti in Utah, and interested to see how it plays in this cocktail. So 1/4 ounce there, and then 1/4 ounce of Pierre Ferrand's dry curacao. And we're going to shake all this with ice. And today I decided to go with a cobbler shaker, just to remind myself why they're not as good. Okay, and we're going to strain that into our coupe. Nice light pink color, and then I think we're just going to dress that up with a little twist of lemon. Just give that a little squeeze. Plop that in there. And let's see how it tastes. It's really good. It's not sweet at all. It's actually quite dry and tart, but it's not sour. I think there's just enough sugar in the dry curacao and in the Cappelletti to sort of balance out the lemon juice. The lemon is still kind of dominating in this drink, as far as it doesn't taste a ton like lemon. In fact, it does taste a lot like grapefruit, but it is very tart. Really gets you salivating. The gin is light and refreshing and crisp. The juniper kind of gives away to some of the more floral notes, especially in this Temple of the Moon. It's a much more floral gin than a lot of the other ones that are around. Anyway, I highly recommend that you give this a try, especially if you like the Pegu Club. I would say I actually prefer this. So if you haven't subscribed already, click that button down there, and we'd love to have you around. We've got tons of more content for you, more coming out all the time. And you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We've got a link to our Teespring store down in the description as well. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Till next time, keep the spirit.